Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. You may know that Bachelor of Design or BDes or B.Design is an established degree in design field at undergraduate level. BDes degree is a full-time 4-year course offered in various specializations such as fashion designing, interior designing, accessory designing, textile designing and much more. Over the years, the BDes degree has evolved and now offered in various design specializations such as graphic designing, multimedia designing, VFX design, visual communication, and game designing. This broadens the scope of B.Design degree with career options, opportunities in various industries as well as new technology learning. The course curriculum comprises of CAD, CAM, product development, marketing, specialization-specific subjects, vocational subjects, elective subjects as well as personality and skill development subjects. Students who pursue BDes course get exposure of the design industry with internships, events and exhibitions at national as well as international level. So in this video, I will talk about top BDes colleges in India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. To know further details of the app, you have to watch the video till end. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be on National Institute of Fashion Technology or NIFT in Delhi. National Institute of Fashion Technology became a pioneer in providing quality education in the field of fashion. Within no time, the institute built an empire of 15 institutes across the country. In 2006, the institute was also granted the statutory status by the Government of India, thereby empowering it to award degrees and other academic distinctions. The institute's objective is to emerge as a center of excellence and innovation, proactively catalyzing the growth of fashion business through leadership in professional education with concern for social and human values. Leading national and international companies always have a keen interest in the institute's students. That is why a huge number of students aspire for NIFT admission. Established in 1986, NIFT Delhi initially offered only one design course from a temporary two-room setup. In 1994, NIFT Delhi shifted to its permanent campus that was designed by Dr. B.V. Doshi. The design of this campus was based on the concept of a central step well that is used to conserve rainwater. NIFT Delhi offers undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma and continuing education or CE programs in the field of design to students. Considered to be the best design school in the country, NIFT Delhi is ranked among the top fashion design colleges in India year on year. Next, we will know about this college's facilities. NIFT Resource Center has integrated collection of print and non-print materials and is the only systematically documented source of information available in India for the study of international and contemporary Indian fashion. Comprises of a rich collection of e-books and other digital resources including leading online databases are available for reference. The print collections include books and periodicals pertaining to fashion studies and related disciplines. All RCs subscribe to leading international fashion forecast services and journals on fashion and textiles. The audiovisual materials in CDs and DVDs are primarily used as teaching aid. AV collections pertain to history of costume and art. Fashion illustration, garment manufacturing and design collections of NIFT graduates. RCs showcase designer clothing and regional costumes of India. International collections include costumes from different countries of the world and garments from leading multinational fashion houses. All hostel premises, including the ones being run by private enterprises, are provided with round-the-clock professional security, a doctor on call and hostel warden. Every hostel has recreation facilities like television. Some indoor and outdoor games are also available. In-campus girls hostel has 104 rooms. NIFT Delhi has several labs facilities such as Computer Lab, Art Lab and Studio, Photography Lab, Pattern Making and Draping Lab, Dyeing and Printing Lab, Weaving Lab, Technology Lab, Knitwear Lab, Garment Technology Lab and Leather Design Lab. Other facilities are Design Studio, Cafeteria, Hospital and Medical Facilities, Wi-Fi Campus and Auditorium. As I mentioned earlier, NIFT offers various undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral courses in the discipline of fashion technology. Major courses offered at NIFT are BDes, MDes, BF Tech, MF Tech and MFM. This college offers BDes in fashion design, leather design, accessory design, textile design, knitwear design and fashion communication. BF Tech in apparel production. This college also offers MDes, MF Tech, MFM and PhD. Next we will talk about this college's eligibility criteria. For BDes, candidates must have passed 10+2 examination from any recognized board. For BF Tech, candidates must have passed 10+2 with physics, chemistry and maths from a recognized board. For MDes, candidate must have passed bachelor's degree in the field of design. For MFM, candidate must have passed bachelor's degree from National Institute of Fashion Technology or NIFT or National Institute of Design or NID. For MF Tech, candidate must have passed Bachelor of Fashion Technology or BF Tech from National Institute of Fashion Technology or the NIFT. Duration of BDes and BF Tech course is 4 years. On the other hand, the MDes, MFM and MF Tech course has a duration of 2 years. The CE programs has two variants, first is 1 year and another is 6 months, and the duration of the diploma course is 1 year. NIFT Delhi releases the admission notification for degree courses offered by it in the month of October, and the application forms for diploma and CE programs are released in June every year. The entrance exam for degree courses is conducted in the month of January, followed by the second round of admissions that is conducted in April or May. The final result for NIFT Delhi admissions is released in May every year. The application process is conducted online for all courses. However, for CE programs, aspirants can submit the application forms offline as well. Admission process for NIFT Delhi varies from one course to the other. National Institute of Fashion Technology Delhi has a placement cell which facilitates on-campus placements for graduate students. The placement wings make arrangement for pre-placement talk, guest lecture, etc. It also helps the student to develop their personal and interpersonal skills. Special classes for written test, group discussion and personal interviews is also arranged for the benefit of the student. The projects that are undertaken by NIFT are designing jackets for CSIF, designing safes for Anganwadi workers and designing school uniform for Delhi government schools. Areas of recruitment are retailers, brand marketers, manufacturers, consultancy organizations, e-retailers, textile mills, home furnishing companies, design BPOs, technology solution providers, international brands and startup firms. NIFT placement companies are Blackberries, Bharati Group, Globus, Puma, Pantaloon, Titan, Proline, Honda, S. Kumar's Titan, Taj Group of Hotels, Carbon, Wipro, Mundra Garments, Maruti Suzuki, Gap, Impulse Next, Lee and Fung, Colby, Tommy Hilfiger and Triberg. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. Friends, recently we launched our study app. In the app, you will get college information, career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions, and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will also get the app download link in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I miss some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then, goodbye.